Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Gym memberships can be pricey, and workout equipment can burn a hole in your wallet. But what if I told you that you could create your own workout equipment using items you already have at home? Today I'm showing you how to make affordable yet effective DIY workout gear so you can stay fit without breaking the bank. Ready to get started? Let's start with some DIY dumbbells. You don't need fancy equipment. Just grab a couple of water bottles or milk jugs and fill them with water, sand, or rice. The weight is completely customizable depending on how much you fill them. If you want a heavier lift, simply use larger containers like detergent bottles or backpacks filled with heavy objects like books or canned goods. These DIY weights work perfectly for exercises like bicep curls, shoulder presses, or weighted squats. Plus, you can adjust the weight as you get stronger. No expensive equipment needed. Next up, let's make some DIY resistance bands. All you need is a pair of old tights or leggings. They're stretchy enough to give you resistance for lower body exercises like squats or lunges, and you can even use them for arm workouts like tricep extensions. You can also use long towels or belts for stretches and resistance exercises. It's amazing how versatile these items can be for a full body workout. If you're looking for some cardio, a DIY step platform is a great solution. Simply use a sturdy box or step stool that can support your weight. You can use it for step-ups, box jumps, or even incline push-ups. Just make sure whatever you use is stable and won't slip. This simple DIY step platform can add intensity to your cardio workouts at home. Let's not forget about core exercises. You can make DIY sliders using just a pair of paper plates, towels, or even plastic lids. These sliders are perfect for exercises like mountain climbers, plank variations, and lunges. They allow for smooth, controlled movements that really engage your core, and they're basically free. If you want to challenge yourself with upper body strength, consider creating a DIY pull-up bar using a sturdy pipe or bar secured between two doorways or walls. Make sure it's secure and can support your body weight before attempting any pull-ups. Pull-ups are an incredible exercise for upper body strength, and with the right setup, you can have your very own at-home pull-up station. And there you have it, easy and affordable DIY home workout equipment that you can make using everyday items. Staying fit doesn't have to be expensive. So the next time you're about to skip a workout because of equipment, try these budget-friendly alternatives. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fitness tips, and comment below with your favorite DIY equipment idea. Thanks for watching.